Marcus Lee was only 24 years old, a young black rookie cop. He had worked hard, graduated from the academy, and wore his badge with pride. But that night, he wasn't in uniform. He had just finished dinner at a small diner and was heading back to his car, a modest black sedan he had saved for months to buy. As he walked across the parking lot in jeans and a white shirt, two police officers pulled up. Both were white, older, and quick to judge. "Hey, step away from the car," one officer barked. Marcus stopped, confused. "Excuse me?" The second officer got out of the car. "Don't play games. Whose car is this?" Marcus replied calmly, "It's mine." The officer smirked. "Sure, you fit the description. Hands where I can see them." The tension was thick. People sitting inside the diner started pressing against the windows. A few stepped outside. The parking lot grew quiet, except for the voices of the officers. Marcus could feel every eye on him. He had trained for moments of danger, but he never thought the danger would come from his own brothers in blue. He raised his hands slightly. "Officers, I think you're making a mistake." "Quiet," one snapped. "We'll decide that." The order cut deep. Marcus thought of all the stories he'd heard growing up. Stories of being stopped, stories of being accused. And now, even with a badge in his pocket, here he was, living it. The officer reached for his radio. The other hovered near his weapon. The crowd gasped. And that's when Marcus moved slowly, carefully. He reached into his pocket and pulled out his badge. He lifted it high so everyone could see the gold shine in the streetlight. "My name is Marcus Lee," he said firmly. "I am an officer, and this is my car." The parking lot fell silent. The officers froze, their faces drained of color. The crowd stared, waiting for what would happen next. Marcus didn't yell. He didn't curse. He just stood there, holding the badge that proved everything. The silence was louder than any argument. And then clapping. Someone started, then another, until the whole diner crowd was applauding Marcus. Not because he was an officer, but because he faced humiliation with dignity. The two cops lowered their eyes. For them, it was shame. For Marcus, it was truth. That night, the crowd walked away with one message. If even a man with a badge isn't safe from prejudice, what does that mean for everyone else? This was the Badge Exchange. Like the video and subscribe for more stories.